A major development Tuesday in the debate over immigration. The Supreme Court has agreed to review President Obama's executive orders that would have shielded 5 million illegal immigrants from deportation. A lower court ruling previously blocked those orders. Jan Crawford reports.
I guess it was about 14 months ago that the president announced that on his own he was taking this executive action that would have spared about 5 million, that's the estimate, people from being deported. They were here illegally, but they were the parents of children who were citizens or who were lawful permanent residents. So the president said that they could be spared deportation and be given work permits. So that would open up other benefits to them as well, including potentially getting driver's licenses and, as he said, kind of being a more involved member of, American society. Republicans immediately challenged this, and states, 26 states, immediately challenged this because obviously that would affect the states and what they do. But their argument is that the president has no authority to do this. They're saying this is a major change in the law. And that he's sidestepping Congress by just coming out here and changing immigration law to this extent. The Constitution says that, the president must take care to faithfully execute the laws. He can't go out and write new ones on his own without Congress. Lower courts agreed with that, and they put this program on hold. And now today, the Supreme Court has announced that it is going to decide who's right. And why the timing is important is because there was a huge concern within the administration that if the court did not take up this case, it may never get off the ground, and this program would just die on its own when the president left office.
Do we know, is this basically then going to be a review of the entire set of actions contained within President Obama's move those 14 months ago, or is there one specific sort of set of provisions? What part of that will the Supreme Court be looking
it's going to go to the bottom line of whether or not he has the authority to kind of defer the deportation of the parents of children who are citizens or lawful permanent residents. But that's an interesting question because, remember, it was just a week or two ago that the president announced an executive order on guns. He's got plans to kind of push his limits, see how far he can go with some of these executive orders. So the court's statement actually could have quite a significance, beyond even this immigration action, and maybe raise questions about some of the other things the president has done or future presidents may consider doing.